Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we are diving into the next phase of the Pharos testnet. This is an OK Wallet booster campaign, which gives you 1.2x more points, I guess. So claim more testnet tokens from BitGet Wallet Faucet, swap and provide liquidity, grab your Pharos exclusive domain name, which just opened up, and their NFT mint. So this Pharos identity service and collect NFTs. We're going to use the OKX wallet because we do get a boost in our levels. This is a 30-day campaign, or 29-day. But yeah, we will dive into that. But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, Pharos, get up that leaderboard, man, or get those points. If you do need any help, I have a Discord. Link is down below. You'll be asked a few questions you need to answer. In the rules and guidelines, click the thumbs up, and you'll have all access. Also, catch me on Twitter, the BCR142. I share a lot of stuff here that I can't get to on YouTube, and I co-host a show called DeFi Crypto and Airdrops, where we go live every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, midnight UTC. And I go live with Veteran Crypto, Veteran for Crypto. He's the host with the most, great DeFi mind, and this is our Twitter. So catch us, the_only_DCA. Catch our brother channels, a lot of good news, trading, degen stuff, a lot of good alpha. And we have a Discord as well, where we get into a lot of DeFi stuff and some degen stuff as well. So come join us, have a lot of fun, building a great community. And with that, let's dive in. So Pharos, if you haven't participated, check out my previous video on this testnet. And here we will connect our OKX wallet, which I have connected. And let's see. So you can get your testnet tokens here every 24 hours. And then we go into the experience. Now, Pharos Swap, they've added, they've added Pharos Swap to the swap and liquidity. So Pharos, we're going to do our OKX wallet. We're going to allow it. And let's go in here, see what we got. Let's swap for some USDC. We'll do 0.1. We'll swap for 0.1 on each. Okay. So already this has been much faster than Zaros, I think, or Zenith. Yeah, Zenith. Okay, pending. All right, we'll swap for one more, USDT 0.1. And this will give us, and make sure that you're using the OKX wallet, so that way you get your transactions count. Okay, it looks like that failed. Interesting. Okay, let's try this again. So let's refresh. Sometimes these test nets, man, they can get really buggy, especially when they launch like this on the first day. Let's try and swap this again. These are the fun ones because you get to see what works. All right, come on, Pharos swap. Give me the give me the goods. Okay, the balance looks like it's there. Okay, try USDT now. Let me get that 0.1. Confirm the swap. Oh, can I swap? Okay. I'm not sure what's going on with that, but let me try and refresh this again and see if we can get it to work. Okay, you see that succeeded. Okay, the key here is refresh your page. Refresh your page. Cancel. Not, maybe the internet. Maybe my connection's not great. Okay, yeah, this, just keep retrying, or just keep refreshing and swapping this again, I guess. Huh. Yeah, I don't know what's up, but we got one swap. So, okay, 0.1. Okay, we're going to go over to pool because that's not doing anything. So, oh, we need wrapped Pharos. Okay, let's wrap some Pharos. It will allow us. Yo, this is janky, man. Not a big fan of this, slow poke nonsense. All right, let's confirm. Please succeed. All right, we got our 0.3. You can see it right here. Now let's go over to pools. Since we have USDC and Pharos, where is USDC and wrapped Pharos? So you can search it right here. USDC. And I want the wrapped Pharos right here. I'm gonna add half, and this should be we will approve our token spending allowance, and then we will submit the transaction. But while I'm waiting for that, let's go down here, send your tokens to friends. I'm going to copy a wallet address that I would like to send my Pharos to. So I'm going to send that to my friend. Let's send that transaction. Let's check on Pharos swap, see where we're at. Okay, that's pending. Let's go here. I wonder if it's my network. Okay, verification sent successfully. Yeah, I want my USDC. Wrap Pharos. Seems like Pharos swap is having some funkiness going on. So you can keep testing this out. I'm going to move on. That way, this is still pending. So approve wrap Pharos now. Okay. So first you approved USDC. Now you have to approve wrap Pharos. And then we'll be able to confirm. Okay. We'll wait on that. Now that we've send invites to friends, and I'll go to experiences. I don't know if I have any. I got some referrals. So thank you. I appreciate you all. Faux show. Okay. Now, Pharos Identity Service. Let's check. Okay, we can add this now. So let's add our liquidity and get those points. All right, now we wait. All right, Pharos Name Service. Remember OKX? Connect your OKX wallet and bada bing, bada boom. So the blockchain report, we'll do 5. Actually 10. Do 10 year. Uses primary name. So I'm naming myself this, and I'm giving it 10 years. I need to complete 2 transactions. Yes. Yeah, with these test nets, you gotta have a little patience, man. You gotta have a little patience because they can be quite frustrating if they don't work properly. Okay, so there we go. We'll have to complete a second transaction once this timer is done. So let's go back over here to collect NFTs. Let's see what they got to offer. We'll wait on that. Continue. Yes. It's funny that they integrate this, but also Grand Line World. Let's see what they got on here. Yeah, I don't know if I would touch any of that. Okay, that's okay. I thought that was something else. Yeah, Pharos swap, giving a bunch of people issues. Now let's complete this registration for the domain, and we should be, yep. All right, confirm that. And let's check Grand Line. So Grand Line, we're gonna get our NFT mint. And this is unlimited supply. However, I think that they might end it at a certain point. Yay! I'm now the owner of this. So there we go. Let's see, and we'll mint this. Yay! Get the octopus. Get the octopus. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Doing some dancing. What's dancing? Ooh, okay. So I don't know what points they're or leveling up. I don't know. I mean, I guess you have to do a certain amount of stuff on here, but they don't have any real metric. So this is one Pharos token. But yeah, there you go. That's really all we can do. Don't forget to check in, swap on Zenith as well, and deposit on there. Zenith swap might be a little bit faster for you, but yeah, if you do need any help, and follow the last video I did, because we go into Zenith swap or Zenith, and you'll get a better idea on how to navigate that. But jump in the Discord, hit me up on Twitter, check us out at DCA. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies.